Was the Buddha an atheist? And do Buddhists believe in God? Hi, I'm Dr. James Holt. And the question about the Buddha's atheism was one I received in response to one of my videos. The second question is related as the answers are intertwined. The first problem in asking about the atheism of the Buddha is that it tends to assume a Western philosophical mindset, atheism being the rejection of the God of classical theism, and then by extension any being that claims to be divine. In this sense, the answer is both yes and no. The Buddha rejected the existence of an eternal being who lay at the heart of existence, with reference mainly to the concepts of the divine that were found within what we call Hinduism today and its antecedents during his lifetime. Indeed, Buddhism is known within Hinduism along with Jainism as Nastika movement, which reject the Vedas and the divine, however that's understood. The complexity of Buddhist atheism is shown in a 2021 Pew Research Centre report which suggests that in India, 43% of Buddhists believe in God with absolute certainty, 23% with less certainty, and 33% don't believe in God. This is a very blunt statistic as it doesn't unpack what's meant by God and whether the respondents were thinking about the realm of gods rather than a more Western idea of an omnipotent God. Though their immediate expression may differ, it's not that Buddhists would accept the existence of a personal God, but that there are gods, both in terms of the Buddha's experiences and also in terms of the utilisation of existing beliefs to help understand and frame Buddhism in different countries. For example, when we look at the Tibetan Wheel of Life, or the 31 Planes of Existence within Theravada Buddhism, we find a realm of the gods. In the realm of the gods, or the devas, a person is reborn because of positive karma, and it's believed to be a blissful existence. There's the ability to enjoy all sensual pleasures, and as a result of the imbalance between pleasure and suffering in favour of pleasure, there is a lack of impetus to seek for awakening, and for the most part, there's little regard or opportunity to listen to Dharma. There are believed to be various heavens in the realms of the gods. Kevin Trainer suggests that the prospect of a heavenly rebirth motivated the devotions of the vast majority of Buddhist lay people in history. A human or heavenly rebirth is the only desirable destiny in samsara. So thus the realm of the gods is real, but their eternal divinity is not. The gods may assume that they have control over the world, but they don't. Thus the reality of the existence of the God would be assumed by many Buddhists, but not in the way that many would assume. So the answer to the questions posed at the beginning are yes and no, but the questions are flawed for an understanding of Buddhism.